Hi friends, I am Joel John. In this video, I am going to give a very good news that's about all pass in B Tech examinations, that's engineering examinations. So give a thumbs up and with the winding speed we can go into this video. I know that all of you would have clicked or all of you would be very much excited seeing this video topic as all pass in B Tech engineering examination. You would have thought like for the 10th 12th students some kind of special privileges are being given because of the lockdown as schools are not being conducted. Will we also get something like that? This video is not about that. This is about writing the exam and getting cleared the examinations with the pass. So what happened was I was going on shopping for old books, and I shopped for chemistry books as I am a chemistry graduate. But what I accidentally saw was solved question paper banks and sample question paper banks for engineering students. One main hindrance the engineering students have is they have a vast syllabus. Most of them would have come from their regional language medium schools like Tamil medium, Kannada medium, Hindi medium, like that. They would have studied on their own mother tongue schools, and when they move to engineering, most of them are in a situation to go for English medium of education. So the language of the with which the professors speak in the classes and the books which are normally available on the market are of very high standards. But accidentally, I found this previous year solved question paper bank and sample question paper bank for various engineering branches and for various semesters. And also, when I checked on Google, in Google online stores also it's available. So what the advantage of this is a very simple language, and most of my engineering friends who studied with me or who work with me to clear their arrear exam, and for their exams they mainly depend on the solved question papers, on the question papers alone. Then they will go search for the answer in various textbook. They wouldn't have wrote down, or the lectures wouldn't have happened like that. There are many hindrances for them even after getting the previous year question papers as a model for the upcoming exam, because they say most of the many times the questions repeat, but I am not guaranteeing you that the questions will repeat, and by just studying this you will can clear the exam. But this is the way which is happening on commonly in the society, but it's not a guarantee. And so if you study this, these answers were very simple, and also when you see the question itself you have the answer below, instead of you thinking back and correlating all that you read on books, you heard on lectures. That's very good for scoring high marks. That's how they put high marks. Almost all of your lectures would have informed you about that. But this is for if you failed and you want to clear, if you didn't prepare well, you want to clear, you didn't have time, you were sick or something like that happened. So at these times, these kinds of solved question banks, you can search it on Google and find out, or search it on shops and purchase, or go for old book shops and purchase it at a half price. So like that, do something so that it will help you to clear your engineering exams. And because of this, if you there are certain things like no history of arrears, try for that. The no outstanding arrears, try for that. If you don't do this also, you can join in a job, but what they will do is, taking this as advantage, they will reduce your pay. So I found this as a simple method, so I thought of conveying it to you, and hope you would have enjoyed this video. And making this as a grand success is in your hands. There is a share icon below that. Press the share icon and share it with all in your WhatsApp groups, with your friends WhatsApp, so that they will look at this and they will also follow that. That's when many people start doing this. We can create a society with all parts of BE and BTech. So that's the topic of this video as well. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, and lots more information coming out. I will also try to speak on topics on in engineering chemistry, but I'm not good in chemistry as I'm not a lecturer or someone from that background, but still I will try to clarify things from my level. So plus the subscribe icon, and stay tuned to this channel. And the main attitude is, if you don't have time to read your other subjects than your main core engineering subject, you can hear it when you on travel, but don't drive. Here when you drive, if you are sitting on a bus and traveling at that time, already there are a lot of videos available by others, so watch that as of now. When I come up, watch that as well. Subscribe and support me. It's time to say bye. It's your Joel John J signing off from you. Bye.